Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my Boxycharm for September of 2021. I'm very excited. I have been slack-a-lacking on my videos lately. I have so many subscriptions to do behind me, but I thought I would start out with Boxycharm. So if you guys are into these types of videos today, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already watching this video, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so I decided that I'm going to unbox two subscriptions in this video. I'm going to do my Boxycharm and my Noella lashes. So Noella lashes, as you guys already know, they're literally the only lashes that I wear on my channel. I'm wearing Fiona today. I cut it into a half lash because I wanted to do some kind of like, you know, cat eye kind of situation. So I wear Noella lashes literally in every video unless I say otherwise, which is like never. So Noella lashes, bomb.com. You can use code Connor to save 20% off of your purchase, but the lash bag itself you cannot save money on because it's already very discounted. I will leave Noella lashes linked down below. So let's see what I got. I have a little mystery bundle here. I don't know what I got. You can subscribe to 3 trios, so this is just a mystery. I don't know what I'm getting. I can't wait to show you, which I'll also have the video linked below for Noella lashes. You can get all the information plus all the other YouTubers and influencers that wear her lashes. So here is the cute little card. You guys probably will recognize these lovely women on here. They are beautiful ladies. We got by Sarah, Beaut Bean, and Sherry. So thank you so much for choosing Noella lashes. We hope you love your new lashes. Our owner Noelle knows that makeup is not about vanity. It's about self-expression and art. When anyone chooses to finish off their look with a pair of our lashes, it melts our heart. We hope you feel beautiful in them. Please tag us and use our hashtag so we can see all of your amazing looks. All of our love, Noella lashes XO. So that's cute. We love that. So the first pair of lashes here, I believe these are Blair, which are my absolute favorite lashes. I'm almost positive these are Blair, but these are so cute. And then we have the last two here. I think these are Heather, which are my other favorite. We love Heather. And then I think these are Mila, which are very big dramatic lashes. Love them. So yeah, thank you Noelle for sending this over to me. We love, love, love. Now let's get into the Boxycharm box. So let me go ahead and open it up. Okay, so I don't know what number I got because they don't really do a number system anymore. At least I don't think. At least I can't read it. I don't know. It doesn't appear to be like the best box I've ever had. I know when I resubscribed and I got my last box, it was phenomenal. But the prices on here are pretty ridiculously high too. So I think that's a good thing. So first thing in here is this brush set, I think, which retails for $58. I really like the little pouch that it comes in. It's really cute. So yeah, this retails for $58. This is the Elena Badrow Baby Blue set. This set masterfully creates a seamlessly flawless makeup application, contour, blend, and define with these 3 limited edition decadent synthetic makeup brushes. Travel or store your brushes inside with a luxurious tan pouch. Oh, these are actually really cute little brushes. Okay, so these are like literal essentials. Like, I use this brush, this type of brush, in every single makeup look because I use this for my lower lash line, and then an overall blend. Like, I'm not one of those people that know what the brushes actually do, so I can use literally those 2 brushes for an entire makeup look. And then we have this one here, which is for, you can do powder first and then you can do some blush or bronzer, whatever you want. Really, really cute. So very happy with that. And then we have, I feel like maybe I did choose, because this is looking really familiar to me, the Glam Glow Youth Mud Glow Stimulating and Exfoliating Treatment Mask. So Youth Mud exfoliates with volcanic pumice rock to help smooth the appearance of fine lines and visibly soften skin's texture, while natural clays lift impurities without disturbing skin's essential oils. Antioxidants from green tea smooth for more glowing, youthful looking skin instantly, and this is $60. Fun fact, when I was in Oregon, we actually went four-wheeling over a bunch of rock because Oregon, there's no like trespassing laws or anything like that, unless it's like posted, I think. Whereas Tennessee, you're on somebody's land, you're getting shot with a shotgun, you know what I mean? So we just kind of drove off the side of the road and started four-wheeling over volcanic rock, which was really, really cool. So, yeah, I actually have some in my car, and I went in 2019 and it's still there, so that tells you how much I clean my car out. So, here we go, Glam Glow. We love Glam Glow. I have lots of Glam Glow stuff. It says, hello, sexy, so I appreciate that compliment. Thank you very much. And all of this box, by the way, for this is a little much. So, yeah, here it is. Pretty excited. I have the purple one, too. I forget what it is. I think that's brightening, but I feel like we're kind of gypped, though, because, like, there really isn't too much product in there at all. Like, I don't know. I feel like it's not very full, like, at all. Like, it's just, it's not full. I mean, I know they do it by weight, but, I don't know. I feel like it's just not full enough, and especially for $60, I could literally get 2 uses out of this or something. It's just, that's not a lot. I threw the box because I can't see how much is in here, but I would never pay $60 for that. But happy I got it in my box, but you know. Next up from Sept Luxe Beauty. This is a brow gel. It's $22. This is one of those brands that like are like cheap China brands, like Alibaba, like, you know what I mean? Because we did some investigating like 2 years ago when they had these three eyeliner pencils in one of the bags or boxes, and it was like $50-$60 for these 3 pencils that were horrible. They tugged, they were dry, they were awful, and it was like a brand new brand, and it's one of those, like, you know, one of those brands. But yeah, here it is. It's $22. It's just a brow gel. I'm sure this is going to be fine. It doesn't have a strong odor, which is nice. But yeah, it's just a little brow gel. Cool. $22, I think. Yeah, 22. And then next up we have this product here from Georgette Klinger. The Marula Primer. Blur imperfections and ensure all-day radiant finish. Hydrating and long-wearing, it cushions skin with advanced hyaluronic acid, ensuring silky smooth makeup application that won't settle into pores, fine lines, or dry areas. A nourishing blend of marula oil and vitamins A, E, F, and B locks in moisture and protects against visible signs of aging. Ideal for all oil and silicone-based foundation formulas. Retails for $32. Doesn't really have a scent. I don't know if I would want to try this or not. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll give it a try on like a day where I'm like trying new stuff. But yeah, okay. And then the last item in here is from Real Her. It's a moisturizing lipstick. This is $18. It says over time, encapsulated water is released from the lipstick, providing hydration to your lips. Not only is each shade infused with jojoba seed oil, shea butter, and vitamin E, but each lipstick also provides all-day hydration with a creamy, smooth application. And I got the shade Never Give Up. This is the packaging. It's really, really pretty. And this is the color. It's definitely a beautiful fall color. I know I'm going to get use out of, especially with fall looks. Very, very pretty color. Okay, so that is everything. Thank you so much, Noella Lashes, for sending me the lash subscription, and thank you Boxycharm for taking my money because I paid for this box. So yeah, that's everything that I got. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Have you heard of Noella lashes? Let me know down below. And what did you get in your Boxycharm this month? Were you impressed? Were you not impressed? All of that jazz. And yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!